So you're looking for verified leads on the cheap. Well, as the cold email king, I know a few tricks. I can tell you exactly how to find verified leads on the cheap, and I will in today's video. Stick around. Before I show you this tool that has all of the awesome leads in so many different industries, so many different niches, all of these criteria that you can search for, and will give you exactly what you're looking for your outbound or your cold email campaigns. Before I show you that, if you wouldn't mind just liking this video and subscribing down below. We've got a lot of content coming. I love the content that's coming out, and we have a ton of content in the backlog all about sales, outreach, lead generation, how to grow your business, how to grow your agency. So if you want to see all of that, go ahead, like this video. Now, I'm going to show you this tool for how I get verified leads on the cheap and my recommended tool. Let me take you over to the old laptop computer here. This is a tool I like called Leadshark. Leadshark lets you get millions of verified leads at an affordable price, and they have 25 leads for free. But as an owner of Leadshark, I am able to offer you special deals. You can get 200 leads for only $9 by using the link below, which makes this a great deal. Now let me show you inside how to find these verified leads. So all you do is log into Leadshark and you pick your industry. So let's say we were selling to the banking industry. We would just click banking, then in job title, I always like to go for the top. So we would put CEO, lead location. Typically I'm only selling to the United States, but there's leads in here from everywhere. Canada, Australia, even other non-Western countries as well. Everywhere, India, whatever you want. Lead location, number of employees. Typically I go after the golden geese companies, which are typically companies that are between 51 and 1,000 employees. These are companies that don't have such heavy corporate structures and so are able to make decisions fast, but are big enough that they can afford big retainers. 5-figure, 6-figure, even 7-figure deals can be supported by companies that have between 51 and 1,000 employees. So we'll hit done and we'll start searching. The shark swims through the ocean and the results pour in. And here are a ton of leads on Leadshark. Now I said they would be verified leads for cheap, right? Well, that's another reason why I really like Leadshark. So now that we have this big list, all we have to do to verify them is select a couple of the leads that we want, and then we'll use our credits to download. I have 2,600 credits on my Leadshark, which is very good. Now I just download list, download the selected leads that I want, and then we'll also clean up the list. This is what I really like about Leadshark as well. This feature will clean up the downloaded list of unnecessary text, such as LLC, Inc., etc., to make it cold email ready when we download the list as Excel. That processing only took a second. Those leads are being verified. So when I say verified leads on the cheap, meaning these leads are now being tested and they're proven not to bounce. In fact, Leadshark has a 0% bounce rate guarantee, meaning if I were to send cold emails to these 4 leads and one of them bounced, Leadshark would give me 5 leads for free as compensation for that. So 5 free leads for every 1 lead that bounces. That's how confident we are at Leadshark that your emails are not going to bounce. So with that being said, here are our 4 leads ready to go for cold emailing. All of them have email addresses. All of them have company names, first name, last name, all right here, ready to be sent to. If you have a lead generation business, there's no better place to start than Leadshark. If you want to learn more about lead generation and cold email, then I highly recommend joining Cold Email University, where you get access to all of our courses. You can hear me on weekly calls. You can talk to me one-on-one about your cold email campaigns. And it comes with all of our other courses. You get LinkedIn X, you get Email 10K, you get everything that we have to offer and everything we will offer as a member there. And you can get there by going to coldemailuniversity.com. And also, if you want 200 leads for $9, then check out Leadshark using the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content in the future. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Berman.